You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is j equals 5/3. Let's solve it step by step. Swap sides. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Add 5 to both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the j. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 5/3. Move the negative sign from the denominator to the numerator. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Cancel out the negatives. And so the final result is j equals 5/3.